Submarines, these incredible machines, travel beneath the waves. They are like underwater spaceships exploring a hidden world. How do they dive deep into the ocean? It's all about a clever dance between water and air. Imagine a fish tank with a toy boat floating on top. The boat is like a submarine on the surface. Now imagine adding weights to the boat. What happens? The boat sinks? Submarines use a similar principle to dive. They have special tanks that can be filled with water or air. These tanks are called ballast tanks. To understand how submarines dive, we need to understand buoyancy. Buoyancy is the force that makes things float. When an object is lighter than water, it floats. When it's heavier, it sinks. Think about a beach ball. It's full of air, making it lighter than water. That's why it floats so well. Now imagine letting the air out. The beach ball becomes flat and sinks. A submarine can change its buoyancy to control whether it floats or sinks. By adjusting the amount of water and air in its ballast tanks, it can precisely control its depth. Ballast tanks are like the lungs of a submarine. When a submarine wants to dive, it opens valves to let seawater flood into these tanks. The added water makes the submarine heavier, causing it to sink below the waves. To resurface, the submarine pumps air into the ballast tanks. This forces the water out, making the submarine lighter. As it becomes lighter than the water again, it rises back to the surface. Submarines don't just sink and float. They navigate through the water with incredible precision. They use hydroplanes, which are like small wings, to control their angle. By adjusting the hydroplanes, the crew can steer the submarine up, down, or even make it stay at a specific depth. Think of a plane tilting its wings to go up or down. Submarines use a similar concept to move through the water. It's a delicate dance of buoyancy, pressure, and skilled navigation. These amazing machines allow us to explore the mysterious depths of our oceans, uncovering secrets hidden beneath the waves. From studying marine life to conducting important research, submarines play a vital role in understanding our planet.